Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check backlinks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Checking backlinks on Semrush is an essential step for analyzing your website's authority and your competitors' link building strategies. Once you're logged into your account, ensure you have an access to a plan that includes the backlink analytics tool, and that is on the left side panel of your dashboard. You see the link building? I want you to click on this section. Alternatively, all right, you can search for the backlink analytics in the Semrush search bar. Now, all you have to do in the domain is enter your domain if you wanted, your own domain. If you own a website or a domain, you can type it here or a competitor's into the search bar. In our case, I'm going to be using worldwildlife.org as an example. It is not a competitor, but just an example for this video. And of course, you can choose the region or global database for analysis. You also have the option for root domain, exact URL, subdomain, or subfolder. But the thing is, all you have to do is check the backlinks section here. You have overview, network graph, backlinks, anchors, referring domains, index pages, outbound domains. Just click the backlinks. It's really easy. But the thing is, you see, once you've done that, you would notice the backlinks of this competitor for worldwildlife.org has 7.4 million. Which is, you see, from December 2024, that's like 7 million. The previous from last year, if you compare that, that's going to be like 8 million, and the difference is 880,000. Referring domains is this, referring IPs is this. All right. The backlink types are text, right here, 6 million. Image is 1.3 million. Form is 10.3K. Frame is 40. All right. If you hover down below, you see the backlinks from 1 to 100 are 7 million. You would notice you can check the all backlinks that are not lost, active, new, lost, and you also can change the reference page platform from e-commerce, wiki, message board, and CMS. All right. Time period, you can also do that. You see these are going to be the backlinks that is part of your competitor, which is worldwildlife.org. You see, you have all these. Anchor and target URL. You see, total number of links on the source URL, pointing to internal links, and the external links is going to be 17, pointing to other websites. You can also filter by URL or reference a page language or reference a page platform, or you can also use the advanced filters. All right. You can include and add condition exactly matching a specific word. All right. Now, the most important part of getting the backlinks here is diving deeper into the backlink details. How you can do it? If you click the export button, you have the option to export these data for Excel and CSV, whichever you prefer, to analyze referring domains, industry or niche relevance or referring domains, and a lot more. You can check the competitor's backlink to analyze the backlink profiles of multiple competitors by clicking the Excel right here and save it to your computer. All right, you can navigate, monitor new and lost backlinks from here. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.